We is back with another video. What they do, bro? What they do, y'all, boy? Clap it up for yourself. Clap it up for yourself. Bigg Ralph is back to educate the youth. Cause you know that's what I do. Anyways, man, there's a lot of things that's been going on in my life, and I want to share it with y'all. See, but a lot of things is happening right now, man. A lot of people want to get into this phone game shit. I'm letting y'all boys know to quit while you're here, cause a lot of people want to make some money, right? It's always good to make some money, baby. But the thing that y'all boys don't really understand is everybody can't make money. Don't get mad at me because everybody can't make money. I'm telling you, everybody can make money. Look, anytime you see somebody making money in anything, it could be Amazon, it can be stock market, cryptocurrency, you know, iPhone King, Bigg Ralph is the iPhone King, making money in anything. They've been doing it for a very, very long time, bro. They've been doing it for a while. So don't think that you're gonna make money fast in these type of industries, bro. But I wanna let y'all boys know, bro, this channel about to go somewhere I don't even know what I'm gonna take. Cause one thing I'm not gonna be doing is continue to keep talking about this phone shit. See, it's only so much you can talk about in the phone game. This is cool, right? Hold up, now I'm coming back with you. Don't come back, don't go nowhere. I just got this, right? I ain't even been doing the phone game like that. I do the phone game here and there when I want to make some bread. Cause I'm a real goat, right? But, bro, it's only so much you can do, bro. I did a lot of things for y'all, bro. I got a lot of videos on Instagram. Look, this is an iPad. I just picked it up, right? This is an iPad 9th generation. I'm gonna make $80 off this shit. Then I got some iPhones, right? Got some of these, some iPhone 14s, you feel me? See, I don't even got that much. Look at boys. I got 7 of these hoes. Hold up, let me get right. I got 7 of these hoes, bro. Thumbnail. I ain't even making a lot of money off this shit like this. I don't give a fuck. We just move cash. Y'all boys know what I do. Anyways, what I'm trying to tell y'all boys, bro, because there's a lot of things that y'all boys got to understand when y'all boys want to make some money, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've been going for a little minute off the YouTube. I haven't really made a video like this in a while. I get so many DMs. Like, I thought when I wrote the book, right, that was gonna solve everybody's problems. It got people still coming to my DMs. They don't want to invest in yourself, bro. I wrote an ebook, how to make 6 figures with iPhone. Look, it's right here. Look, you see how beautiful it is? Look at it. Look at it. Ain't it so beautiful? They don't want to listen, man. You don't want to invest in yourself, bro. I don't know what to tell you because it's a lot of funny people in the world, right? People will spend hundreds of dollars on BS, but won't even spend $100 to learn how to do something, man. I got free content. There's content all on YouTube. There's a lot of people that talk about the phone game, but ain't nobody do it like me. I'm already saying it. Ain't nobody doing it like me. But this is what I want to talk about. This is what I want to talk to y'all boys about. And I really want to be on a serious note with y'all boys to like kind of let y'all boys understand what I'm trying to do. If you ain't know, I just dropped the EP. No college education. You know what I'm saying? Go check it out. Anyways, before I get off the topic, I want to let y'all boys know, going into the new year, you got to remove yourself from anybody that's not trying to go to the next level as yourself. Because a lot of people may look at me and think this shit easy as fuck, bruh. Like, think this shit so simple. Right now, I'm waiting for a wire from this dude. He still ain't wired me, bruh. And that shit by 40 racks. You feel me? I'm waiting on the wire. I'm like, bro, this is what I be talking about. So it's so much complications and all this other shit. What I want to tell y'all boys, bro. First thing you want to do, bro, for my young kings, get your shit together. We can't be going into 2023 doing the same shit we've been doing 2022. As a matter of fact, it's already 2023, right? So what are you waiting for? You wanted to be January 1st to be like, oh yeah, this is my New Year's resolution, bro. Let me tell you exactly what your New Year's resolution need to be. Your New Year's resolution need to be, my brother, I'm not talking to no females unless I got $10,000 in my name. We just gonna set it like that, bro. Listen, bro, we not having no fun. We not playing no PlayStation. Look, y'all, boy. This is a brand new PlayStation 5, right? I don't know. I might give it away. I don't know. Hit the subscribe button. Follow me on the channel and all that I might think about it. Listen, bro. We ain't playing no PS5. We ain't playing no God of War. We not wasting our time with anybody who not trying to make us go to the next level, especially these women. I feel like a lot of y'all boys, bro, all y'all boys think about is vagina. That's all y'all boys think about. That's why y'all boys can't get no phone. Don't get mad at me because the only thing you think about is some vagina. You think of, oh, what's that? I think that's that chicken. Ooh. Y'all hear that? They be calling my name. Listen, you think a female gonna want to mess with you if you ain't got no money, bro? Because you gonna be the type of dude, right? When you take it out, right? You know, it's gonna be you and her, right? She bad, right? She already hot ticket, right? You meet her, you get a number, start texting her and shit, right? Now, so you want to go out? Yeah, I want to go out. Whatever. Yeah, I meet, right? Next thing you know, you taking her to some restaurant you can't even afford, right? But if you was in your bag, you wouldn't even really care about that shit because you getting money. You don't give a fuck about that shit, right? You go down, bill $350. Now you feeling some type of way, like, oh damn, man, Damn, why did it? You ain't supposed to be going out, bro. You ain't supposed to be going out like that, bro. Hold up. Somebody just bought this goddamn PlayStation, y'all, boy. Right when I'm talking. You take the female out, you get a bill, it's $350. Now you feel the type of way. The reason why you feel the type of way because you ain't got your money up right. If you would have had your money up right, you won't even give a fuck about no bill. You will pay that shit and tell her go home. I know what I'm talking about, bro. I know what I'm talking about, bro. First thing we need to do, y'all, boy. Well, second thing, I already said the first thing we need to do. First thing we need to do, we not talking to no females unless we got $10,000. Second thing, we not surrounding ourselves with no low vibrational people. Family? We gotta stop with this, bro. I know this may sound crazy to y'all boys, right? But we gotta stop fucking with our family like that, bro. Your family can be your biggest downfall in life. Y'all boys wanna know some shit, bro? My brother stole over $30,000 from me, right? My blood brother. Do y'all boys know my mama still be talking about something? Davis, can you send Zachary some money? I be like, mommy, bro, hell no, I ain't send that brother my bread. Why would I, like, you know what I'm saying? Out of all this shit that this man did to me, bro, she's still telling me to give him bread and do all this other shit like that. I'm telling y'all boys, bro, sometimes what y'all boys really need to do is just stay by yourself, bro. Bro, I was by myself for a long time, and I don't even make money, bro. I'm poor. Bro, listen, bro, I would show y'all boys how, even though y'all already seen how I be living. I would show y'all boys my room, but it look like a tornado ran in this. Bro, but listen though, bro. Family, bro, can like really be your biggest downfall, bro. Especially like fences, right? Because it's gonna be a time in somebody's life where they start to get money. That's just how the universe works, bro. You're not gonna be at the bottom for the rest of your life. Nah, it's gonna be an opportunity. One day, an opportunity is gonna present itself. Please be ready, bro. Don't be one of those people when the opportunity presents itself, you be like, oh, damn, I don't know what to do. I'm talking about opportunities of a lifetime, bro. That shit only come like once every 30 years, bro. I'm talking about opportunities to change your life. It's always going to be opportunities, you know what I'm saying? You might meet a person, you might meet this person, meet that person. But I'm talking about opportunities to change your life where it doesn't happen that often, bro. Just like this, right? For all the people. I know people personally, bro. When the PPP loan hit, like when that PPP loan was around 2020, a lot of made a lot of money. Bro, do you know that they were giving away loans that you did not have to pay back, bro? It was giving away loans that you did not have to pay back in 2020. Some people did the right things, some people did the wrong things, bro. But something like that, that won't never really happen again. Just like my mom, right? Bro, my mom, her and my dad, they got a divorce, right? My mama got $67,000. She was awarded $67,000, bro. I told my mama exactly what to do. She didn't listen to me, bro. You know where all that money at right now? It's in the trash can. She spun it. Why she did that? And then she be coming to me telling me, can you give me some? I'm like, bro, mommy, what? You don't owe nobody nothing, bro. Understand this, bro. You don't owe nobody anything, bro. The only people that you owe something to is yourself, bro. Just like when you become a real adult. I'm not talking about when you 18, 19. Nah, bro. I'm talking about when you an adult. When you got to pay light bill, when you got to pay rent, when you got to pay credit cards, when you got to pay water bill. This is when you become adult, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't really care about what no one says about me, bro. I feel like you shouldn't care what anyone says about you either. And look, I understand now as an adult why like your parents used to be like, oh, nah, I ain't buying that, this and that and that. Because, bro, at the end of the day, bro, it doesn't matter what people say about you because no one pays your bills, bro. Bro, listen, bro, I'm about to start a new trend. I don't even give a f. I'm going to start rocking sketches. I'm going to go to the club with straight sketches. They going to talk about me. I'm going to show their ass a 50 ball. I'm going to show their ass a 50 ball. Oh, they have, bro. You know what I'm saying? Whenever somebody talks about you, bro, just say, bitch, what's in your bank account?
Well, what color's your brigade?
That's all you got to say, bro. What's in your bank account? Get what I'm saying, bro? So we got to do better, bro. Don't let 2023, bro. Don't let 2023 be exactly like 2022, bro. Don't do that to yourself, bro. I'm letting y'all boys know right now. Don't do that.